Hello, the Adam from 2620 is active. Today we will see how to use the grid view in Flutter by building a simple calculator. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, like, comment and share. So to start with, we will create a new Flutter project here and we will call it grid view demo. All the letters has to be small. So here we have got the startup code that our compiler provides us. Let's remove this. Okay, let's remove all this one and let's make it grid view builder. Okay, so let's add our file. So this is grid view. So let's create our widget. So when you write stateful, the compiler will complete the code for you. I mean the IDE. So here we have got the class and the state. Here we will create our interface, and here we will add our, so here we will call it, let's add our title. It's good to make constant. So here we have got the part. Let's add our body. Okay, so we are going to make it a calculator. So let's start with column widget and let's make it widget. Okay, and let's include this is sized box, and let's have our height to be 120 just for demo, and let's make our child to be editable text. So the editable text has got these arguments, so we will take the so we have to define this one. We have to initialize it. Okay, and so we have to add the style. So let's add the font size to be 48, and we can copy this one as a, and we can duplicate this one. Okay, and let's make this one to be 60. Let's add the background color, and it could be, then let's add our expanded widget, and we will have child 1, and let's make it a container, and this one will have child 1, and we will make it grid view, and it will be builder. So let's say label values dot length, and here we will create our labels for the grid view. Let's make it dynamic, and let's add our values to be 7, 8, 9. Okay, then let's add our one operator, and then 4, 5, 6, and then one operator, which is multiplication, and then let's add our 1, 2, 3, and another operator. Let's make it plus, and then let's have the 0, our period or dot, and then minus. This is enough for now, and here we will add grid delegate, which is going to be with fixed cross axis count, and then here we have got some required. Let's make it 4, so this will make the cross axis count. Okay, let's make it this one, and then let's add spacing 10 across the cross axis, and then main axis spacing, let's make it 10 for now. Then finally we will have to add the item builder. So here we will have our context and then index of the item. So we will add this one, and here we will say return. We'll have our elevated button. Okay, here we will have required arguments that we have to add. One is on pressed, which is going to be a dummy function, and then we will have to have the child one, which is going to be text, and we will have the label values, and we will take the index and we have to change it to a string because it's a dynamic one, and then we can add style, and here we have to make it const. I commonly forget it, so, and let's add the font size. It has got other arguments as well, so let's make it 48, but for now this is enough. And our class, let's make sure that our class GridView builder is the same as this one, and let's import the library, and now the error is gone. So let's try our app. So here we have got our basic layout, I think. So let's run this one and see what our interface looks like. So here we have got our grid view, but we have forgot, I think, one of the things that we have to include in the list. So let's add the equal to sign and let's reload it. Okay, I hope the hot reload works, and let's move our, so if the hot reload doesn't work, we will have to hard reload it. Okay, now we have got our proper grid view. Just for one last time before we end our video, let's make our grid view background black. Okay, let's have our color and make it, let's make it a kind of faint black. Okay, so let's make this const 2. So let's save it. This is a little bit faint, so let's make it 26% opaque, and see, that's also a little bit I think I have missed. Let's make it 45. That's better. Okay, so we have got our calculator. We just made the scaffold lime color so that it would look similar with kind of calculator screen. So that's how you create your grid view. You use your grid view. You can use the builder method. Okay, here you can use the builder method. You can use also the count method as well. Builder is very nice for a grid view which has got a large number of items in it, but for our purpose to make it automatic and dynamic and to use list, we use the builder method. So here we will add the functionality of the buttons in our second video. That's it for now. Thank you for your time.